In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence has become not just a competitive advantage, but a necessity for those striving for innovation and efficiency. Are you seeking guidance from seasoned AI consultants to seamlessly integrate this transformative technology into your enterprise software? Or perhaps you envision developing a groundbreaking AI-powered system from scratch? Look no further, because Bacancy Technology stands ready to be your trusted partner in growth and efficiency. With a track record of transforming over 70 businesses across various sectors, Bacancy's AI development services have earned a reputation for excellence and reliability. When you engage with Bacancy's AI consultants, you get a consultation regarding AI strategy and roadmap development, ethical AI advisory, data strategy and management, risk assessment and mitigation, and assistance with starting your first AI project. When you choose Bacancy, you're not just another client, you're a valued partner in our shared quest for excellence. So, are you ready to gain strategic insights and embark on a consultation tailored to your organization's needs? The future of your business awaits. Contact Bacancy today, and let us pave the way for your success in the age of artificial intelligence. Thank you.